Another home tour. Today my travels brought me to Lake Mary in the quaint neighborhood of Misty Oaks, which is literally walking distance from the Lake Mary SunRail station. This house just hit the market yesterday at $510,000, and I'm here to give you guys a private tour. Inside we have 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2-car garage with a screened-in pool and a huge patio area. This home's tucked away into a cul-de-sac, so you have a little extra yard space having that pie-shaped lot. The Homeowners Association is around $600 per year. The roof was replaced in 2021, replumbed in 2019, and the air conditioner is about 20 years old, but it's a Train, and those have about a 25-year-old life if it's serviced regularly. This house has been meticulously taken care of with some very nice upgrades, and it's turnkey, meaning it's ready for you to turn the key and move in. If you have questions on this house, or like a private tour, or anything real estate involved, call Chris Cap. So come along for the tour in Misty Oaks. See ya.